I came all the way from the United States to Malaysia to get a beard, and at first I was looking at Turkey and I noticed a lot of the results didn't look very natural. I'm Asian, I thought it would make more sense to go to a place that works on more Southeast Asian people instead of Turkey. I came across videos from GLOJAS and I was very impressed because I just saw more natural looking results. Hopefully get a good beard, so I'm excited to see the results.
We are using the smart FU technique to do the Asian design of beard. So this is the design from the sideburn jawline, and here is around the angle of mandible is going round down here to the beard. So here we're trying to give a soft look approach up here. Here the density increase, and patient is very happy with his mustache. We are not going to do any surgical procedure here, but here the goatee and the beard, we will connect this to complete the beard. Main objective today is to give him a natural look with the Asian type of beard. We have done the smart FEE procedure and we have completed planting into the beard. Let's have a look now. This was the design area. We already fill up. Only the single hair harvested from behind is put inside here, and above here is a soft look. And just above the upper mandible, randomly we place some hairs. This will give him more natural look. The goal here today is to do a design and to fill up according what is Asian's beard. This area we fill up and a few double is put inside here to create more density around here.